Hello students, this is exercise number 10 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine March 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. In a country as large as India, with its social diversities and with a growing population, the problems of reconstruction are bound to be colossal, and the needs in the spread of education, growing of sufficient food, provision of housing, or other basic amenities to the people are continuous and ever increasing. But in meeting these needs, our unshakable aim is the building of an equitable society and an economic system in which there will be no exploitation of man by man. We have yet a long way to travel before we can make any claim to success. We have resources in land, water, and minerals such as very few countries have. Even making allowance for the vagaries of the weather, the country is capable of achieving self sufficiency in regard to the basic requirements of our people. An integrated service oriented program is an essential precondition for this. I have always advocated that planning for development, to be realistic, has to be started from the village level. I am glad that there is today an increasing realization of the need for this. Plans and programs are not intended to be mere assessment charts or arithmetical projections of national resources. Our commitment to the gigantic but inescapable task of the removal of poverty is a mandate for our people, and it has to be fulfilled in the quickest possible time and in the smoothest possible manner. The task must be tackled on a war footing, and this calls for collective effort and collective wisdom on the part of every group and every individual in the country. The resources of the country, whether at the disposal of the states or at the disposal of the union, are the common assets of the nation. Whether in the matter of sharing interstate water or power, in the equitable distribution of essential commodities, including food supplies, or in the distribution of cement and steel for construction activities, to cite only a few examples, the guiding principle should be that we do the maximum good to our people as a whole. The prosperity and progress of every part of India is the concern of the whole nation. Every Indian born in this country has a right and a claim to an equal share in that prosperity and progress. The state has a duty to take special care of the weaker sections of the community and the backward areas in different parts of the country. In helping to build them up, the approach should be a positive program by which they will come up to the level of the rest of community.